Hello, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What's your name?
My name is Wing.
How do you spell your name?
Quyen.
How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also good. What colors do you like?
I like pink.
What foods do you like?
I like pizza.
What animals do you like?
I like dolphin.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
What time do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth at 6:30.
What time do you catch the bus?
I catch the bus at 7 o'clock.
Do you like water skiing?
Yes, I do.
What do you like doing at the beach?
I like swimming at the beach.
Can you tell me more about your favorite water sport?
Today I will talk about my favorite sport, swimming. I like swimming because it's a fun and relaxing. It's, it's a swimming is very good for my health. I usually go swimming with my friend in my free time. That it it I feel so happy and funny. That's why swimming is my favorite sport.
Okay, is swimming easy or difficult?
It's easy.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.